Hello, at this meeting we will explain three main concepts that are often related in operational management and technology, namely task variability, task analyzability, and four types of technology. Let's discuss them one by one. 1. Task variability refers to how often and to what extent there are variations or differences in tasks carried out in an organization or in a process. The level of task variability includes how many tasks have clear and well-defined standards, as well as how often the tasks change or have different characteristics. High variability means that tasks are often not clearly structured and can vary over time or from one case to another. 2. Task analyzability is the ability to analyze and plan tasks in detail, with a high level of predictability. Tasks that can be analyzed well are tasks that can be understood clearly, have clear rules and procedures, and can be broken down into well-defined steps. 3. For types of technology, this concept was developed by Joan Woodward, a researcher who identified four types of technology based on the relationship between technology and organizational structure. A. Small batch and unit production technology. Small batch and unit production technology usually associated with production in small quantities or single units. Characteristics are individual jobs or products produced in limited quantities and often require special skills. Examples are the creation of custom jewelry or the creation of very expensive spaceships. B. Mass production technology associated with production in large quantities with uniform standards. Uses machines and technology to produce on a large scale at low costs per unit. An example is the production of cars in large quantities in automotive factory. C. Process production technology involves continuous and complex processes. Emphasizes the continuous flow of raw materials into finished products. Examples are oil production or chemical processing. D. Flexible production technology can adapt well to product variations or high market demand. Uses advanced technology and flexible systems that enable fast and efficient production of various products. Examples are computer production or consumer electronics that have a short product life cycle. These three concepts are often used in operational management to help understand the level of task complexity, analysis needs, and the relationship between technology and organizational structure in the production process. This helps in the development of operational strategies that suit the characteristics of the tasks and technology faced by an organization.
Using the concepts of task variability, task analyzability, and four types of technology has several significant advantages in operational management and strategic decision-making in organizations. 1. Better understanding of tasks and processes. Task variability. Understanding the level of task variability helps management understand the complexity and type of tasks at hand. With this understanding, they can develop appropriate strategies to handle different situations. Task analyzability. An adequate level of analysis of the tasks at hand enables the organization to plan and execute tasks better. This can help increase efficiency, minimize errors, and improve the quality of work output. 2. Selection of appropriate organizational structure. Four types of technology. Understanding the types of production technology helps in determining the appropriate organizational structure. For example, mass technologies may require a more hierarchical and rigid organizational structure, while flexible technologies may require a more responsive and decentralized structure. 3. Determining appropriate systems and technology. Four types of technology. By understanding the type of technology used, organizations can select and implement appropriate systems and technology. This allows them to increase efficiency, productivity, and flexibility in their operations.
Although the concepts of task variability, task analyzability, and four types of technology have great utility in the context of operational management, there are several drawbacks to consider. 1. limitations in handling wide complexity task variability *. This concept may not always be able to completely describe the complexity of actual task variations. Situations in the field are often more complex than what can be explained by the concept of task variability, task analyzability *. Not all tasks can be solved and analyzed well. More complex or less structured tasks may be difficult to analyze thoroughly. 2. Difficulty in proper classification for types of technology *. Some types of technology may not exactly fit into any of the 4 types described. There are technologies that have mixed characteristics or do not fit completely into existing definitions. 3. Lack of broad context. The use of this concept often does not take into account the context or external factors that may influence the level of variability, task analysis, or type of technology used. 4. Neglect of human aspects. Focus on tasks and technology can neglect the human aspects of operations. This can lead to a lack of attention to employee engagement, organizational culture, or other social aspects that may impact organizational performance. 5. Static nature and rapid change. The ever-changing business environment often makes these concepts static. Technology and tasks that may seem fixed at one point in time can change drastically in a short period of time. 6. Risk of generalization. A possible risk in using this concept is the inclination to generalize the type of task or technology. This can cause inaccuracies in making the right operational decisions.
While these concepts are useful in providing insight and structure in operational management, it is important to remember that they are simply tools or frameworks that require sound judgment and context to be applied effectively in the real context of the business. In order to understand the concepts of task variability, task analyzability, and 4 types of technology, there are several important conclusions that can be drawn. 1. Operational complexity. Task variability *. Task variability reflects the level of complexity in the tasks faced by the organization. The higher the variability, the more difficult it is to plan and manage those tasks. Task analyzability *. A good level of task analysis can help in dealing with such complexity by detailing the processes and steps required to complete a task. 2. Relevance to type of technology. For types of technology *. The type of production technology used by an organization can influence the organization's structure, need for task analysis, and ability to handle variability in tasks. 3. Advantages and weaknesses. Every concept has its own advantages and disadvantages. They provide a useful framework but have limitations in the context of complex and changing business situations. 4. Limitations and risks. The use of these concepts must be balanced with an understanding of their limitations in describing overall operational complexity and the risks of generalization in classifying tasks or technologies. 5. Importance of context and holistic assessment to take the right decision. A holistic evaluation is needed that considers other aspects such as human factors, changes in the business environment, and industry dynamics. 6. Adaptability to change. The ever-changing business environment requires the ability to adapt. These concepts need to be used as tools that can adapt to change and not as rigid guidelines. By understanding and using these concepts wisely, organizations can gain better insight into the tasks at hand, the technologies used, and how to manage operational complexity more effectively. Adaptability and context are critical in applying these concepts in a rapidly changing business context. Thank you very much for watching.